So now let's see how we can create a public share link so that anyone on the web can view the document. So in order to do that, you can click on the share button right here, click on it, and here you can see that a new dialog box pops up. So over here, click on change to anyone with link, and what happens is that anyone with this particular link will be able to view the Jamboard file. So to demonstrate that, I'm just going to go on to a different browser and paste and go right here. So now the other person, as you can see, will be able to view the file right here, okay, just like this, but they won't be able to edit. If you want other people to be able to edit, then you can go to editor right here, just like this. And now what happens is that anyone on the web, if they were to refresh this out, you can see that this is what they see. So that is how they can edit this out, and you can see that the changes happen over here as well. And that is how you can share out and create a public share link so that anyone on the web can view your file. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.